Sir, can you tell us what are the uses or what are the clinically we do in prosthodontist?
Good morning, Dr. Deepak. Good morning, everyone. It's an honor again to be back on the MyDentalPlan platform. So prosthodontics or prosthodontia, as it is called, is one of the branches of dentistry where we deal with replacement of teeth and its contiguous structures, in the sense the structures around the teeth. That's the gums and the other structures. We also deal with certain other things like maxillofacial work, where we replace parts of the face or parts of the other parts of the body with plastic materials. Okay, that's what is prosthetics or prosthodontia, as it is called. The typical terminologies that you would have heard, like crown and bridge. When you have a broken tooth, you would restore it with the help of a crown. That comes under prosthetics. If you have a missing tooth, you have either a bridge, where you have some teeth missing, you do a bridge, or when all teeth are missing, you do a denture. So these things are again a part of prosthetics. We also do something called as smile correction, where we try to enhance the smile of the patient by certain means like laminate veneers or some kind of corrections which are there. That again comes under not repositioning of teeth, but when it comes to the way the teeth are looking and things like that, that's something again that we do. We also do a certain part of replacement using dental implants, where we do the restorative part of it. Of course, there are a lot of prosthodontists who also do the surgical part, but it's anything that we restore to its original form, function, and aesthetics is what is done by prosthodontia. So if you have a missing tooth, if you have a broken tooth, if you want to enhance your smile, if you have lost all your teeth, then the specialist that you should look for is a prosthodontist. So this forms a major part of the treatment needs why the patient would come to a dental clinic. So that's what is prosthetics is all about.
I think Dr. Deepak.
Dr. Deepak, yes, I think just.
Yeah.
Okay, more about the dentistry itself. Dentistry itself is a 5-year training program where you do the basics of dentistry, which is called as Bachelor of Dental Surgery, after which you go on to specialize in 9 different aspects of dentistry. And one of those, which is a 3-year program for the Master of Dental Surgery program. And one of the programs is prosthodontics, including crown and bridge and implantology. That's how the degree is awarded for the 3-year training program with prosthodontia. Yeah. Yes, Dr. Deepak.